Today I'm walking you through how to add music to an Instagram post using your tablet or phone. We're doing this at the right moment before you publish your post because Instagram doesn't let you add or edit music once it's already posted. So let's get into it. Open up Instagram on your tablet or phone, tap the plus icon to create a new post. On the phones you'll usually see it on the left hand menu or the bottom in the center. On tablets it's going to look very similar, or it might just be a bit more spaced out. It's normally on the left. Choose the media that you want. It could be a photo, a video clip, or you can select multiple videos or photos for a carousel, then tap next. Once you're in the post editor, you will see add music down underneath. Tap that. This opens Instagram's built-in music library, a list of licensed tracks you can use. So you can either browse trending or suggested music, or you can use the search bar to find something specific. Tap the small play icon next to the track and you can hear a quick preview. Then when you find the song that you want, tap on its name and select it. So once you're happy with the music clip, tap done and you'll be back in the caption screen. Finish typing your caption, add any hashtags, location tags, mentions, and then tap the share to post. Now when someone sees the post in the feed, they're going to hear the song that you choose to play automatically as they view it, so long as they don't have the mute button on. If you're on a desktop browser, Instagram will let you upload and schedule posts, but you can't add music from there. The music feature is currently only in the mobile app right now, either on your phone or tablet. So for this part of the process, it's best to use one of those. Now some common hiccups and practical tips. If you're missing the add music section, sometimes users don't see the music option, and this is often caused by the app not being up to date or the music library restrictions in your region, or it could be the account type. Some business accounts have narrower music due to licensing, so check all those out. Try updating Instagram, log in, out and in again, or testing it on another device. Now carousels include music too. You can apply a single music track to an entire carousel post, so we can really bring that together. Make sure you note that music can't be added once it's already posted. If you publish it without the music, you can't edit it later. The best workaround for this is to share it to a story and then you can add the music there. So that's a full practical way to add music to your Instagram post on a tablet or phone. It works for photos, videos, multiple uploads, and you get to choose the bit of the song that fits your visuals. Just make sure you do it before you hit publish. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.